Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a scarecrow. That's undercover primer from Paint Pixie, and we are doing the color Chai Latte. We're drawing the face on there now, you guys, because I have to get the eyes in a certain position, otherwise I wouldn't draw it on. That's red, and we're going to do the white for the eyes. We're going to put in some black. Y'all, this is all really quick. I have to speed these up for the fast video. But you guys can just watch and see what all I do. I do the eyes first. I go around with the blue. And the detail will all come in just a minute, y'all. We just throw this on here real quickly, and then I start adding all the detail here shortly. As you can see, I'm starting to work that in right now on the eyes. We'll do the little eyes, and I try my best to get them as even as possible. And sometimes it's kind of hard to do, but you just keep working it until you get it. We're going to add some more blue in this area. Same for the other. Just don't give up when you're painting. Just continue to work it until you can get it where you want it. Because like I always tell you guys, it's just paint. You can always paint over it. We're adding some details here with the black around it. And I just go ahead and just paint all that in, just a little at a time. And then I look up at the little eye up there and I see where I missed a black line. I'm like, oh, I missed that. I better fix that. But anyway, you guys, his little face is almost done there. I had to skip this along real quickly because of the fast video. Everyone was asking for a hat tutorial. All I did was take a piece of cardboard, cut it into the ring, and then I added 3 pieces of wire to 2 circles, a small circle and a large circle, and then I glued it to the cardboard. I put 3 little pieces of wire in between the 2 circles, and then I'm just wrapping burlap around that cardboard. You guys, this does not have to be pretty, because where you attach it and you put everything together, you're going to end up putting flowers and stuff over it anyway. So you guys, this is a super easy hat to make, and it is so cute. And you leave it kind of hollow, and you just tuck your burlap in the top of the hat, because that's where your raffia is going to come out of the top of the hat. We're going to add raffia to his little head, just glue it all over, and we're going to add that little hat on there. Look how cute this is going to be. Now see where the hat has got the places that aren't so pretty, you add all your embellishments. And look how adorable it is now, you guys. This is our little guy. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you all will hang out with Rekindle Blessings, spread the blessings. Thank you guys so much. Hit that button, y'all.